Hello friends, I'm here to talk about how to create a file or class using Java on Eclipse. So as you can see on my left hand side, what we're doing is we're creating class is under source code, right? Everything has a source code. So the first thing you do, you basically right click on the source code, you go new, and then you create a package, and then you provide the name, right? Which is also uh, known as a class, right? And then you are and then what you're doing after that, you are actually creating a class, right? A In Java, basically, when you create a class or files, there are three steps you have to follow. The first steps is basically is class. Class means header, or you can say basically uh, in a file there are three steps. It has class, it has method, and it has statement, right? So the first thing you do, these public classes automatic once you open um, the project, it's automatically will be there because Eclipse make it easy. It's automatically comes pre-made lot of codes, right? So you don't have to type over and over. So these public classes already been there. So let's just say I am giving my class or my file name as hello, right? Then I'm doing open and close curly braces, right? So that is my class. Next, I'm defining the method. When I'm defining the method, the public static void, it's already pre-made, so I don't have to change anything. Then I'm actually creating my method. Let's just say it's a main method I'm giving as a name, right? Now, can you have more than one method, main method? Yes, you can, but you should not, because in team you have one lead, one manager. You don't want to have multiple lead, multiple manager, which will create a conflict, right? So it's the best practice would be to have one main method, right? So and then after that, once we type the main method we define, then we are also passing what type of value we need to show on our output. So in this case we wanted to show a string value, so we're typing string. Inside that open and close parentheses, we're typing string, open and close square bracket, then argument, args, right? Then again we're doing open and close curly braces, right? Now the third is what we need to do. We need to pass the statement. The statement comes in inside the method, okay, not 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 inside the class, right? So the way we define the statement is system.out means we are saying, okay, system provide us the output. Dot println means print the line, right? And then we're doing open and close parentheses, and then we're typing our string value. Let's just say we are saying hello, my name is Kasam, with the double quotes, right? Double quotes. Now, can you use single quotes to display this line? No, the answer is no. I'll explain you why in just a minute. Now, once you execute, then you can see on the bottom, it says, it's giving you the results. Hello, my name is Kasam, right? Now, in order to display a single letter, you can use just a one single quotes, not the double quotes, right? But um, but also, can you use double quotes on a single letter, a single alphabets to display? Yes, you can. But can you use single quotes to display the string value? No, because one single quote represents just a one letter, right? So, and also, can you display numbers? Yes, you can. If let's just say if we type 100 here, it's going to display as 100. So that is how basically you write a print statement on Java using Eclipse. Now, I will explain you how we can do using Notepad and then save it on your desktop, on your C drive, and then show it on a command line using command line interface, right? Show the results. So we're gonna go ahead and so what I have done, I have actually typed the exact same code on a notepad, right? and then I have saved it as a on a folder on C drive, giving the name as a class name as a hello. So I did hello dot Java. As you can see, it's right here, hello.java, and it's under TechFast folder, right? So then what we need to do, we open our command prompts, right? The first thing what we do when we open the command prompt basically is going to show the user and the username. So what I have done, I have changed the directory to go to the C drive, right? Then I have changed the directory to the folder that I saved that Java files. I'm sorry, I guess I wasn't showing. Um, Right, and then so then I changed directory uh, to the folder that I have saved um, my hello class. So then we need to check, make sure that if there is any error. Also, we need to convert to class in order for us to display the results. So the way we do, we type Java C and then our class name and then extension, right? So hello.java. So once we do that, it's right here. Once we do that, basically uh, it did not give me any error, right? So and then when I go back to the folder, as you can see, it's created in a class file, right? Hello.class, right? So now I can run the file, and the way I'm going to run is just saying Java and then just a file name, which is class name hello without the extension, and it's going to display the results. So that is how you create a file using notepad, and also command prompt execute using cmd command prompt. And also I have talked about how you create a file using Eclipse. Hopefully this will be helpful. Thanks for listening.